She was big. She was huge in everything. And the only way para sa akin to understand the phenomenon that was Nora Honor was to love her. Siguro mga about a week before she passed on. We never lost touch. It's very private. Medyo may pagka-privado. Pero hindi kami tumigil sa pag-uusap. Sabi ko nga kanina, may mga pag-uusap na wala kaming ginawa, kundi tawa lang ng tawa. May mga pag-uusap na mahirap. May mga pag-uusap na dasal. Iba't ibang klase ng pag-uusap ang pinagdaanan namin ni Ate Guy. Didn't imagine I would ever do. Napakahirap dahil how do you say that? Dahil pamilya ko si Ate Guy. Maliban sa pagiging isang masugid na tagahanga, she became family sa buong buhay niya. Sorry, I'm very emotional.